The closet was created by the Student Association here on campus a few years back. It was then called Coop's Closet. The students had the vision to make this closet larger, to make more students aware, and find a permanent spot on campus. They reached out to our office at the perfect time because Career Services was also interested in creating a closet, and we were able to work together on this project to help make their vision a reality. The closet opened officially on September 1st of this year, and students love the idea. It helps them better prepare and feel confident while doing so. We see the closet as a way to help students make a great first impression. We realize many students can't afford professional clothes or do not have access to them because they are home, and that could be hours away. We now have a place for them right on campus. We are asking that our alumni, faculty, staff, and the community take a look in their closets to see if they have professional attire to donate to help make this project a success. We are always accepting donations of gently used professional clothing, which will be made available to students free of charge. We accept suits, dresses, shirts, and ties. Clothing donations can be dropped off at Career Services in Wicks Hall, or we will pick them up. Please feel free to email Cardinal Closet at svsu.edu or call the office at 989-964-4954. Your donations will be helpful and appreciated. Thank you.